Solana certainly is a highest-level digital money at present valued at $200-228 that has a place with the class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of $89,789,885,702 in an unpretentious manner. Over the very past truly couple of years, digital forms of money, including Solana, laid out a kind of solid traction in the worldwide monetary world, and in every way that really matters, are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms forks, which generally is very critical. A few institutional financial backers, even in a real sense, consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in an all things considered huge way. Retail financial backers and merchants in every practical sense are really keen on digital currencies, certainly, for example, Sol, since this especially is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources especially have the truly potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a generally exceptionally brief time frame in an unpretentious manner. These profits are out of reach in different business sectors, which especially is the motivation behind why most moderate financial backers generally are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital forms of money like Solana, while the groundbreaking ones for the most part dedicate a critical piece of their kind of funding to this quickly creating resource class in an unpretentious manner. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Solana to the level at $200-228 where it as of now sits, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. As currently referenced, Sol by and large is a highest-level cryptographic money since it by possesses the fourth spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the very metric that not entirely settled by duplicating the very current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which in every practical sense is very huge. On account of Solana, the market capitalization really remains at $89,789,885,702. The significance of this boundary will sort of be generally made sense of later in an unobtrusive manner. Our cost expectation calculation generally is planned in every practical sense, such a way that it ceaselessly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource, being referred to furnish our supporters with the most reliable data on the especially present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently basically survey the condition of their portfolio and by and large choose whether or not it actually should be reconfigured, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which for the most part is fundamental for the very right assessment of both genuinely current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its sort of present and future course in a significant manner. Beneath you will basically find sort of key passages of this verifiable information, so you also could basically have a comprehension of where the Solana market for the most part is going in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday on Walk 17, Sol generally was esteemed at $181.63 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Essentially recollect that digital currencies generally are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. The cost change rate-wise over the said period really added up to 165%, which generally is genuinely huge. 7 days prior on Walk 11, Solana most certainly was exchanged at $144.47 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in a real sense near its genuinely present position, which in a real sense is very critical. On February 18, which especially was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Sol at $110.45, the cost level that by and large is at the distance of 81.10% from where it as of now basically remains in a truly significant manner. The cost of Sol and the readings of CVIX essentially are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts further appearance. However, the past, especially couple of years, digital forms of money, including Solana, laid out a sort major areas of strength for within the worldwide monetary world, and in a real sense are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary standards forks in a fundamentally enormous way. Market capitalization in every practical sense is one more significant really metric that basically assists dealers in every way that really matters, with deciding the fame of the digital currency being referred to as well as its future possibilities, or so they explicitly thought. It's additionally used to basically evaluate the offer that Solana truly holds inside the fundamentally whole cryptographic money market. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization fundamentally is somewhat straightforward. the coursing supply of the money being referred to essentially is duplicated by its really current cost, which especially is very huge. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of Sol especially remains at $89,789,885,702, enough to name it the fourth in a real sense, the biggest coin on the digital money market. Yesterday on Walk 17, the market capitalization of Solana in every way that really matters remained at $86,105,839,84 in a quite enormous manner. 7 days prior on Walk 11, the capitalization of Sol truly was $64,033,023,769, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. A month prior on February 18, how much especially capital streaming around this fundamentally specific market especially added up to $48,654,245,624 in an unobtrusive manner. Most digital currency financial backers stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related within in every practical sense certain cryptographic money and its capacity to fundamentally endure disturbances which basically are the especially normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market in a by and large enormous manner. The especially complete inventory of Sol right now by and large stands at 572, 145, 191 coins, or so they sort of thought. The circling supply of the digital money under survey truly is 443,886,209 Sol, showing how a few institutional financial backers, even in a real sense, consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in an especially huge way. This Solana cost expectation wouldn't especially be truly finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the by and large measurement utilized by basically all cryptographic money brokers to, in every practical sense, affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move incredibly. For example, assuming that the breakout to the potential gain in a real sense is happening on the rear of the genuinely low exchanging volume, there really is a high likelihood that this move is impractical and would especially bring about a bullish snare, which is very huge. Subsequently, it's vital to explicitly dissect the sort of past and the extremely current exchanging volume of Sol requests to explicitly comprehend whether this market has a hidden strength, showing that very retail financial backers and merchants in a real sense are certainly keen on digital currencies, for example, Sol, since this for the most part is ostensibly the most open monetary market where various resources really have the, in every practical sense, potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately fundamentally brief time frame, which generally is very critical. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Solana market was enrolled at $11,645,330,271, showing how most digital money financial backers really stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a specific cryptographic money and its capacity to fundamentally endure disturbances which by and large are for the most part normal event on this profoundly unstable market in a very significant manner. Yesterday on